In today's tutorial we are going to cover one more lab which is relevant to the Kubernetes. So the lab name is Google Cloud Fundamentals, getting started with the GKE. So we know this is GKE is nothing but the Kubernetes. So we are covering this lab, and you can see we can claim the 10 points, but here are 4 tasks which are very simple. So let's get started without any delay. I have already opened the labs here. You can see the lab is already login. So let's verify the task number 1. First we need to sign in with the given credential. So this is a, you can use the incognito mode window also, that is not an issue. So here the credential is already in the labs, and region and zone also is been displayed. Now we need to enable the two services, which is Kubernetes Engine API and Container Register API. So let's enable it. I'll, otherwise you can go from here also. Let me go from the here, that is not an issue. Enable API and services. I click here, enable API services. Now search the same service here. This is the first one, Kubernetes Engine API. You can see it is enabled, API enabled. Now go to the check the second API service. Copy this one, go to the same and search the container registry API. So this is the second service we need to verify. So this is also enabled. So our two tasks is already done. The first and two are very simple. Now the main task is we are enter here now. Start the Kubernetes cluster engine. We need to start, and how it is. Let's go to the platform. So you need to activate the Cloud Shell. So here it is, the Cloud Shell. Just wait for the window and let's continue. So here we have a few commands. You can see we need to add a zones also. Zone and region already displayed here. So we can directly refer from the zone. Here it is the zone command we are going to refer. Authorize. And I'll make a size medium. It will be visible for good way. And here it is, I have added a central zone. So now go to the next command and let's start the Kubernetes cluster engine. So which is web front end. Okay, let's copy this one, add this. Now it is started your pod address range. So this is the range. Let's wait now. Now it says it takes several minutes to create a cluster as a Kubernetes engine provide a virtual machine for you. So let's wait now. It maybe it will take 4 or 5 minutes or 7 minutes. Just wait. Okay, here it is. Execution is finished. So let's continue. You can see Kubernetes entry is generated for the web front end. So the the second command is we have started the Kubernetes cluster, and now we have next command. Once cluster is created, we need to install the version of. Let's verify that. So here it is, the command. Next command is in this lab only commands are given. This lab you need to complete through the uh, Cloud Shell. So this is the cloud version, customized version and server version. It's been displayed. Now let's go next. And here it is, the you need to verify the also when the this command cluster command executed, that time VM instance you can verify. Let's check the VM also. We can verify VM instances. So VM instances, let me go. Here it is, compute engine, and inside VM instances are being running or not, we can verify from here. So there are two uh, VM which is running in this central 1-A zone, and this is internal and external IP allocated. So this is the actually we were expecting. Now let's go. The task number 1 is completed and we have claimed the 5 points first. Now we will go to the last task. Last task is very simple. Here run and deploy the container. So first we need to launch the single instance of ngx container. So you copy this command, go to this and go to same to cloud shell and add it. So this will be create a ngx. So this is a ngx has been created. Now there is a one more command which is very important. I'll show you that. So first we need to view the pod which is running in the ngx container. So let's verify, do this. Let's done. Yep, here it is. The ngx is running on the one. Okay, now go and expose the, we need to expose the ngx container to the internet with port 80. So it will be through load balancing. Let's go and execute now. So here I have exposed the deployment and it is service ngx exposed. Okay, now let's go down and we need to review the new services. Let's find it. If it is IP, a public or internal or external IPs are been there. So here you can see load balancer IP is been here added, and the cluster IP is already there. Now external IPs is waiting. Now let's go. Now we need to scale the pods also. We need to increase the count. Let's add how to do it. This command will help you. So we have scaled the nginx. Now we can verify how much it is. Let's, this is the command we will add. The labs will itself very few commands. Yeah, you can see now 3 nginx been displayed. Earlier it was 1. Now we can verify the updated number and confirm it. Let's, so here it is, I will do it. Here it is the third, 3 entries has been there. Earlier it was 1. And lastly, confirm the external IPs has been changed or not. Let's review it. This is the last command. So see here it is been IPs external and internal is been displayed. Okay, now we can verify if our task is getting completed or not. Run and deploy container if it is working or not, and verify the remaining check my progress for the and claim the 5 points. Let's verify this. Yeah, so here it is. This is a way you can complete the labs and claim the 10 points with easy. There is a no any issue. It is taking the 10 minutes, but yeah, the when you go when you start the Kubernetes cluster engine, it will take some time. That's reason it's taking that much time, but it is very simple lab. Everything is covered in the same lab. If you have any doubt, please comment on this video. I'll cover the your query, and I hope this video is informative to you all, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Happy learning.